Todd Frazee. This is a quick tutorial to show you how to do a save off a graphics file of your Fusion 360 model. So first you search for your model, find the model, and then I would close your navigation window there. And you want to have your model displayed as large as possible. That way the image has it as large as it can be. And you go to this menu here that looks like a folded over page. That's the universal sign for file. Select the down arrow. Then you're going to select capture image. That'll make this image options dialog box appear. I'm going to keep the default settings. That includes current document window size. So that'll make it the same size as the monitor window you have. If you are interested in a different resolution, you can force it to be specific resolution sizes. Select the OK button. Then you have the Save As dialog box appears. You can change the name of the file you're saving and the file type. I prefer JPEG. The file type has a built-in compression. Makes it good for the uploading to the internet because the files are small. You want to make sure the Save to My Computer box is selected, and then pick on the path and choose your location that you want to save the image in on your computer. Make sure that's a location you know where it is. I'm okay with the current selection, so I'm going to hit Save. And it should save the model to that folder in a graphics format. So let's go to that folder. And here we go. Here's our TCOS-14 version 10 JPEG. Double click on that and you can see the image as saved. I hope this is helpful, and we'll see you on the next one.